Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubit Store is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products. And the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Dr. James Acne Powder. Dr. James Acne Powder prevents the formation of bacteria on the face and removes the excess oil, dirt and impurities that cause acne while providing intensive deep cleansing. It is a dark spot remover and whitening powder for all skin types. It clears all types of dark spots, it beautifies and repairs the face. It also has anti-aging ingredients to keep you looking younger than ever before. This powder gives a brighter shine to the skin. Many active ingredients present in the powder can also eliminate layer of dead skin cells and dust very quickly, due to which skin looks healthy, fresh and fair. Their products are dermatologically certified. Moreover, it is safe and 100% genuine. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubit Store. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.